Hello students, today we will learn about the journal. First of all, journal word has been derived from the jour, which is come from the French language. The word jour means a day. It means a journal where transactions are recorded on daily basis. That is why it is known as day book and primary book. Why it is known as a primary? Because here transactions are recorded फर्स्टली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ट्रांजैक्शन सबसे पहले रिकॉर्ड की जाती है, इसलिए जर्नल को और क्या बोला जाता है? प्राइमरी बुक. और द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ट्रांजैक्शंस आर रिकॉर्डेड इन chronological order. The word chronological means the sequence in which transaction occurred. जैसे जैसे कोई ट्रांजैक्शन होएगी उसके वैसे वैसे ट्रांजैक्शन को क्या जाएगा? रिकॉर्ड. ट्रांजैक्शन, the word has been taken from the French language which means a jour, जिसका मतलब है डे. इट मीन्स ट्रांजैक्शन. जर्नल में ट्रांजैक्शंस को डेली बेसिस पे रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है. और कौन से वे में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे? क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में. क्रोनोलॉजिकल मीन्स जैसे ही कोई ट्रांजैक्शन हो रही है एट अ टाइम उसको क्या करना है? रिकॉर्ड कर लेना है, उसी सीक्वेंस में उसको रिकॉर्ड करना. और जर्नल लिखते वक्त हमें उसके साथ क्या फॉलो करना है? नरेशन. नरेशन मीन्स explanation of the entry. The format of journal is date, particulars, leisure folio, debit, credit. This is a format of journal. Now we will discuss about the rules of the journal. In journal there are three types of accounts. Real, personal and nominal. Under real there are transactions related to purchase and sale. Under personal there are transactions related to a person, bank. There are two types of the transactions are related. Persons, like a payment, receive, deposit in the bank, withdraw from bank. Under nominal there are two types of transactions. One's expenses and incomes. Expenses like a salary, pay, rent paid, insurance paid, and many more. Under income, interest received, commission received, and many more. Now we will talk about the rules. These were the examples of the accounts relating to the real, personal, nominal. Because before put any entry, we need to come to know about the accounts in which the transaction is to be related. Any purchase or sale related transactions comes under the real account. Any transactions related to persons like any name or bank transactions come under the personal account, and any transaction related to expense or losses and incomes come under the nominal account. First of all, the rule of the real is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. In personal, debit is receiver, credit the giver. The person who received the money is debited and the person who is giving the money is credited. Under nominal, debit all expenses, credit all incomes. With expenses there is also losses, and with incomes credit also gains. I hope you all persons very clear about the meaning of the journal and the rules of the journal.